Good morning, print fam. Happy Friday. My name's Darren. Welcome back to the print shop. Today we got a bunch of printing to do, but the first thing this morning, I gotta run to my brother's shop and borrow, it's like an oscillating saw thingy. It's so I can cut a box for our disposal in our kitchen's cabinet, because the countertops might go in today. They're still working on them. They said if they get them done by 2, they'll come. If not, they're coming Monday. So it's been like 3 months without a kitchen. We're finally getting our kitchen countertops, which means we'll have a sink. We'll be able to actually prepare food in our own home again. It's gonna be so good. So lots of printing today. I know we got some black cut vinyl, some white window cling, and a few other things. Business cards, all that fun stuff. So see you in a bit. All right, we got Bob's vinyl printed and cut. Now we just need to weed it and apply the transfer tape. We'll do that when we get back. We got little posters printed and cut. I cut them on the keencut because I didn't want to mess up, and sometimes the cutter slightly gets offset when it's doing really long runs. Someday I'll have a flatbed and I won't have that issue, but the keencut works really well. So yeah, we also, when we get back, we need to load the white window cling and start printing that. I think that will cover us as far as large format work. So let's look. Print fam, I have really bad news. Nextcloud deleted all my files. They just... I was trying to save some money by self-hosting, and it was going great. Most of the files are still on the server, but some of them are just gone. One that I know for sure is my Duplo Excel spreadsheet that tells me what all my different profiles are. That one's gone. It's just gone. It's not on Bob's computer, it's not on my computer, it's not on the server, it's just gone. So I'm going back to Dropbox. I'm gonna try having just one account that we all use, I still haven't heard back from Cam if that's going to cause a problem, since you can't have two Dropbox accounts on your computer at the same time. It is a business account, so it lets you link a personal account, but only one can be linked, and then everyone would have access to it. So hopefully we can get it worked out. But now I get to deal with this because I don't have any of my files. They're all just gone. Luckily, I did have the retention in Dropbox, and my personal account doesn't close for another 4 days. So it is trying to recover all of them. But again, there are certain files that are just going to be gone that I won't know about because I'm not thinking about it, and someday when I go to access it, I'll be sad. So I'll keep you posted, but I'm going back to Dropbox. It may be that I'll have this Dropbox for me and Robert, and if Cam needs his personal one, then I'll just pay for his. Hopefully this doesn't ruin my whole day and we can still get the white window cling printed. Alright, just finished up my business card orders, and I printed all of the brochures. Now I'm printing some trifolds. The brochures are almost done cutting and creasing, and then I'll fold them. I'll probably do that Monday. The trifolds, I'll probably do the same thing. Get them printed, get them cut, get them creased, fold them Monday, and then deliver them Monday. The customer has requested that, so we're gonna bill them for it. So, I'm not sure what else we're gonna do tonight. It's already like 8:30, 9 o'clock, and I'm only working late because I lost my files, and it took me a while to get things kind of resolved and back to normal so I could work. Alright, print fam, it's time to call it a night. I still can't decide if I'm going to work tomorrow. I wasn't able to do the white window cling, and I still have a few things that I can catch up on. Some artwork for some business cards, applying the yard signs that we cut earlier, applying the transfer tape to the decals. So lots that I can do. I might work in the afternoon. I'm gonna go swimming with the family in the morning. So we'll see how I'm feeling, whether or not I work tomorrow. But I do appreciate y'all being here. If you have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, etc., you know what to do. Thank you, Cam, for editing the videos. Sorry for the hecticness that is Dropbox and Nextcloud. Hopefully we can get this all resolved. Thank you, everyone. If you guys want to support the channel, you can do so with the links down in the description. Patreon, Amazon affiliate, other affiliates, purchase custom orders, all that fun stuff. But we do just appreciate you being here. We finally hit 1,000 subs. Third time's a charm, maybe. Hopefully it won't disappear again. We'll see you tomorrow when I wake up in the morning. So thank you for helping me get there, and let's look forward to many, many more of you. I really enjoy making these vlogs, and I appreciate all the comments and everyone being here. So let's make it a great weekend. Keep smiling, and we'll see you. We'll see most of you on Monday. Bye, print fam.
Huge shout out to our patrons over at patreon.com/TTMS.